Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. My respected elders, my dear brothers and sisters, my lovely students, and every who is present there today. Good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you. First of all, from the depth my heart, I say Alhamdulillah. All praise is for Almighty Allah, who give us life, who give us health, and who brought us together in this beautiful gathering today. We are not here by accident. Every meeting has a purpose, and I truly believe that today's program is part of Allah's beautiful plan for our lives. I am also very thankful to the organizers of this event and to us and every person who talk from the busy life to be here today. Every person who took time from their busy life to be here today, your presence means respect, motivation, and encouragement for me. Please give yourself a big round of applause because choosing to attend a program like this means you care about growth and improvement. My dear friend, let me start with a very simple but very powerful question. Why are we alive? Is life only about working, of going to work or school, coming back home, eating, sleeping, and repeating the same routine again and again? Or is there something more? Allah created every human being with a purpose. No one is useless, no one is born without value. But sadly, many people live their whole life without discover their true potential. The live small lives not because they are small, but because they think they are small. Today, I want to remind you of one thing. You are more powerful than you think. You are more capable than you believe. You are created more something for something meaningful. My dear brothers and sisters, let me share a hard but honest truth. In this world, nobody is coming to say you. People may advise you, people may encourage you, people may even pray for you, but at the end of the day, your life is your responsibility. If you don't study, no one can study for you. If you don't work, no one can work for you. If you don't chance, no miracle will send you. We often wait for motivation, we wait for support, we wait for perfect condition, but successful people don't wait. But successful people don't wait. They move even when conditions are not perfect. They move even when they are tired. They move even when they are fired because they understand one thing very clearly. If I don't take responsibility for my life, no one else will. Motivation is a beautiful. It feels good. It gives energy, but motivation is temporary. Today you feel excited. Tomorrow you feel lazy. So what will you do tomorrow? That is why successful people depend on discipline, no motivation. Discipline means doing what is the necessary even when you don't feel like doing it. Discipline means practicing when no one is watching. Discipline means waking up early when others sleeping. Discipline means saying no to comfort to say to growth. Let me tell you, a small discipline every day creates big success one day. Many people want fast success. They want result in a 1 week. They want fluency in a 1 month. They want money into month. But real success is slow. It's silent. It is invisible in the beginning, like as said under the soil. Nobody can see the growth, but it is happening. It is stay constant. One day, suddenly people will say, "Wow, you are so lucky." If you stay constant, one day, suddenly people will say, "Wow, you are so lucky." So, my dear friends, but they didn't see your hard work at midnight. They didn't see your struggle. They didn't see your tears. So, my dear friends, don't stop just because you don't see result quickly. Trust the process. Believe yourself. Trust. Believe yourself. Believe your mind. Believe your work, and trust the process. My dear students and young brothers and sisters, let me tell you something very important. Money can be lost, business can fail, job can be gone, but knowledge and skill, no one can take them from you. Education does not only mean degrees. Education means learning how to think, how to solve problems, how to communicate. And today, one of the most powerful skill is communication. Importance of English language. We are living in a global village. Opportunities are not limited to one country anymore. Jobs, freelancing, business, online platform, most of them need English. English is not about showing off. It is about survival and growth in the modern world. Many people say, "I am afraid to speak. I will make mistake. People will laugh at me." Let me tell you something. People already judges you even when you are silent. So why not speak and improve? Mistakes are proof that are trying. Mistakes are part of learning. If a child fails while learning to walk, we don't say stop trying. Why say try again? So why are adults so afraid of learning? Confidence does not come from perfect English. Confidence comes from activating yourself and working to improve yourself. Don't compare your beginning with something else middle. Everyone has their own journey, everyone has their own timing. Respect yourself, value yourself. When you respect yourself, the world also starts respecting you. No matter how difficult is your life is, there is always something to be grateful for. You can brother, you can hear, you can see, you can learn. Many people don't have this blessing. Gratitude brings space and peace being strength. When your heart is this thankful, your mind becomes stronger. My dear brothers and sisters, if you don't decide where you want to go, you will end up somewhere and you may not like that place. That is why goals are very important in life. A goals give direction, a goal gives energy, a goal gives meaning to your struggle. Without goals, people lives an autopilot mode. They wake up, go to work, come back, sleep, and repeat. But successful people live by design, not by difficult. So ask yourself, what do I really want to from my life? What kind of person do I want to become? How do I want to people to remember me? Write your goals not only in your mind on paper, because writing goals become reminders of your future. Many people say, my dream is too big, I am not ready. Let me tell you, you don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to become great. Big dreams are achieved by a small daily action. If your goal is to speak goal English, start with 10 new words a day. If your goal is to get a good job, start by improving one skill every month. If your goal is to change your life, start by changing your habits. Don't wait for perfect condition. Start with what you have where you are. My dear friend, everyone has 24 hours in a day. Everyone has 24 hours in a day. Rich people have 24 hours. Poor people have 24 hours. The difference is not time. The difference is how they use time. Time is more valuable in money. You can earn money again, but you can never get your time back. So be careful how you spend your time. If you waste time today, tomorrow will also be wasted. Use your time for learning, practicing, improving, helping others, and reduce time one useless scrolling, negative people, unnecessary adjustment. Remember, your future is created by what you do today. Is the most important. Use your time learning, practicing, improving, helping others, and reduce time one as less scrolling, negative people, unnecessary arguments. Your future is created by what you do daily. Now let us talk about bad habits. Bad habit does not destroy life in one day. The destroy life slowly and silently. Laziness, overthinking, procrastination, addiction to phone. These things steal your future without making noise. You may not feel that damage today, but one day you will wake up and say, where did my time go? So, my dear friends, fight your bad habits before they become your masters. Replace the bad habits with good ones. Instead of scrolling, read. Instead of sleeping late, wake up early. Instead of complaining, take action. Many young people today are under pressures, family expectation, society expectation, competition with others. People will always told, if you succeed, they told, if you fail, they told. So why not follow your own path? Respect your parents, love your family, but also respect your own dreams. Balance is important. Listen to advice, but make your own decision wisely, because you are the one of you are the one who will live your life, not society. Let me ask you something. Who has never failed in life? No one. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your teachers. Every success person has failed many times. They fail it in the exam, they fail it in a business, they fail it in relationships, but they did not stop. They learn it, they improve it, they tried again. Failure only become permanent. Failure only becomes permanent when you stop trying. So next time you fail, don't say I am finished, say I am learning. Don't say I am finished, say I am learning. Your biggest enemy is not outside, it is inside your mind. Your thought control your action control your result. If you think I can do it, you will not try. If you think I will try again, you will improve. Train your mind to think positive, but also think practical. Believe in effort, not in luck. Show me your friends, and I will show you your future. Good companies faces you forward, but company pulls you down. Choose people who support your growth, respect your goals, encourage good habits. Avoid people who make fun of your dreams, waste time, spread negativity, because environment shapes destiny. Success is not only about money. Success is also about impact. When you help others, Allah helps you. When you teach someone, you also learn more. When you support someone, you grow stronger inside. So never think you are too small to help others. Even a simple is charity, even a kind word is powerful. So thank you so much, my dear everyone. Inshallah, see you next time, next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.